Our sources for these questions are the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, Dr. William Moss, a vaccines expert from the Johns Hopkins University Bloomberg School of Public Health, and Dr. Anthony Fauci, the White House Chief Medical Advisor. First question, what does full approval for the Pfizer vaccine mean? Before this, all three vaccines were granted what's called emergency use authorization by the FDA. That's an approval used in emergency situations. Case in point, this pandemic. Now, according to the FDA, it follows the same safety and procedural standards as full approval. However, there is a shorter time period and less data required for an EUA compared to full approval. So why is this approval just for people 16 years old and up? Dr. Moss said the first Pfizer trials were for people 18 and older, followed by the trials for 16 and older, then followed by people 12 to 15 years old. For full approval, a vaccine needs 6 months of data, which the FDA has for people 16 and older. The ages 12 to 15 trials started later, so no full approval yet. But there is an emergency use authorization for that age group. Now that there is full approval, when could kids younger than 12 get at least an emergency use authorization? In an interview with NPR, Dr. Fauci said they don't know for sure, but based on the timelines for the Pfizer trials and approvals, he said for kids ages 5 to 11, it could be mid to late fall. However, ultimately that decision will be up to the FDA.